guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable WhatsApp pop-up notification on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open your WhatsApp. After opening, on the top right side corner of your screen you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. Okay, in the settings guys, tap on notifications, and here you can get the option pop-up notification. Just tap on it. If you want to enable, you can get the option to enable. As you can see, only when screen on, only when screen off, always show pop-up. So from here you can easily able to enable the pop-up notification on WhatsApp. If you want to disable, just you need to select first option, no pop-up. That's it. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.